Are you struggling with your credit score? If so, you're not alone. Understanding the importance of a good credit score is the first step towards financial freedom. It's not just a number, it's a reflection of your financial health. When you have a good credit score, doors open. You get the green light for loan approvals, enjoy lower interest rates, and may even have a leg up in job applications. But what happens when your credit score is less than stellar? The consequences can be far-reaching. You may face higher interest rates, making loans and credit cards more expensive. You may even be turned down for a loan or a job because of your poor credit score. It's crucial to maintain a good credit score, not just for now, but for your future. So, let's dive right into the common credit mistakes you might be making, and how to fix them. First things first, do you know what your credit report says about you? It's a document that tells your financial story. It's like a report card that lenders, landlords, and even some employers look at to determine your credit worthiness. It contains your personal information, your credit history, inquiries made about your credit, and any public records like bankruptcies or tax liens. The credit history section is crucial, as it includes the details of your credit accounts, how much you owe, and if you've made payments on time. These details are used to calculate your credit score. The higher the score, the better your chances of securing credit or loans at favorable terms. So how do you get a copy of your credit report? Well, there are three main credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. They're required by law to provide you with a free credit report every 12 months. Understanding your credit report is the first step towards improving your credit score. Now, what are the common mistakes that might be hurting your credit score? Let's delve into this. First off, we have late payments. Picture this. You've got a jam-packed schedule, and amidst the hustle, you forget to make a payment on your credit card or loan. It might seem like a minor oversight, but it's actually a major credit faux pas. Payment history accounts for about 35% of your credit score. Even a single late payment can cause a significant dip. So remember to set those reminders or automate your payments to avoid this pitfall. Next up, high credit card balances. You might think, hey, I've got a credit limit, so why not use it? Well, the truth is, maintaining a high balance on your cards can be detrimental to your credit. This is known as your credit utilization ratio, which should ideally be less than 30%. High balances signal to lenders that you might be a riskier borrower, which can negatively impact your score. Finally, applying for new credit too often. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is made on your report, which can lower your score. While these hard inquiries are only a small fraction of your overall credit score, they can add up if you're not careful. It's like eating a cookie. One or two won't hurt, but a whole box? That's a different story. Here's a pro tip. When shopping for a loan or credit card, do your research and apply only when necessary. This way, you can minimize the number of hard inquiries on your report. Just to recap, 3 common credit mistakes that can hurt your score are late payments, high credit card balances, and applying for new credit too frequently. These mistakes might seem trivial, but they can have a significant impact on your credit score. So, the next time you're about to swipe that card or apply for a new line of credit, remember these common mistakes and think twice. Your credit score will thank you. So how can you fix these common credit mistakes? Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about late payments. This can significantly damage your credit score. But late payments are illegal unless the creditor has sent you a reminder at least 21 days in advance of your due date. Now, to avoid them in the future, start by paying all your bills on time. This might sound like a no-brainer, but it's the most crucial step. Set up automatic payments if you have to, or set reminders on your phone. If you're currently behind, get current as soon as you can. If you're having a tough time making ends meet, reach out to your creditors. Secondly, aim to reduce your credit card balances. Your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of debt you have compared to your total credit limit, plays a significant role in your credit score. Try to keep this ratio below 5%. To achieve this, pay off your balances and keep them low. Don't just move the debt around with balance transfers, but genuinely pay it down. Another common mistake is applying for new credit too often. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is made on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Limit your new credit applications. If you're shopping for a loan, do it smartly. Many scoring models will group inquiries for the same type of loan into one if done within a short period, so plan accordingly. You might be thinking, I've never missed a payment, and I don't have high balances, but my credit score is still low. Well, you might be a victim of credit report errors. Inaccurate information on your credit report can drag down your score. Regularly review your credit report for any inconsistencies or errors. If you find any, dispute them. You can do this for free, and it's easier than you might think. What if you have collection accounts? Paying off a collection account won't remove it from your credit report. It will stay there for 7 years, unless you use DMSNC free credit repair. We know how to remove it from your credit report if the creditor did not follow consumer law, and 95% of them make mistakes. And finally, if you have a history of bankruptcy, it's not the end of the road, it's a severe hit, but you can recover. Again, DMSync free credit repair can help, because according to consumer law, bankruptcies should not be on your credit report in the first place. Remember, there's no quick fix for bad credit. It takes time, patience, and a commitment to a solid financial plan. But every step you take towards fixing these mistakes is a step towards a healthier financial future. By fixing these mistakes, you can start to see improvements in your credit score. And that, my friends, is the goal. It's not just a number, it's your financial reputation, and you have the power to shape it. So let's get to work. Here are some expert tips to help you on your credit repair journey. Let's start with one of the core aspects of credit repair: disputing inaccuracies on your credit report. This is a crucial step because even a minor error could significantly impact your credit score. So, how do you go about it? First, you need to get a copy of your credit report from all 3 major credit bureaus. Once you have them, scrutinize every detail. If you spot any inaccuracies, file a dispute with the credit bureau, but never online. They are obligated to investigate the matter within 30 days. Now let's move on to negotiating with creditors. This might sound intimidating, but it's a practical approach, especially when dealing with late payments or high balances. Reach out to your creditor, express your intention to settle your debts, and see if they are willing to work out a payment plan, or even reduce the amount you owe. Remember, it's in their best interest to get paid, so don't be afraid to negotiate. And lastly, consider seeking help from a credit repair company such as DMSNC. We provide free credit repair and use consumer laws to make sure that you're being treated according to the law. Your credit report should be fair, private, and it should adhere to consumer laws. Moreover, while these steps can help, it's crucial to maintain healthy financial habits. Make your payments on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid taking on new debt. These actions, while simple, can have a significant impact on your credit score over time. Also, remember that credit repair is not a quick fix. It requires time, effort, and patience. But don't get discouraged. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal of a better credit score and a healthier financial future. Remember, repairing your credit score takes time and patience, but with the right approach, you can improve your financial future. So, are you ready to fix your credit score? We've journeyed through the importance of a good credit score, understanding your credit report, common credit mistakes, and how to fix them. It's a lot to take in, but remember, knowledge is power. Every step you take towards rectifying these mistakes, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier financial future. Don't allow past errors to dictate your future. Instead, use them as stepping stones to build a better credit history. The path to a better credit score may seem like a long one, but with patience, diligence, and the right information, it's a path you can successfully tread. Consult with experts like DMCNC with our free credit repair service and stay informed, and most importantly, don't let minor setbacks discourage you. Remember, credit repair is a process. It's something that takes time, but with steady efforts and a clear understanding, it's a journey you can navigate. Start today, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a better credit score.